Oh man, actually, this next clip, it's also. Don't worry.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Don't worry. We're going uphill here, downhill, uphill. That's weird, isn't it?
What?
Going downhill is bad until you're on a bike.
Then it's great. Then it's the easiest part of being on a bike.
When you're on a bike, downhill is uphill. No, it's not. Uphill's never good. Then why is downhill like, oh, this is going downhill?
Oh, I get it.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
That's really interesting. The downhill, uphill thing.
Is downhill dangerous? Is that why?
No, I'm not talking about an actual bike. I mean, downhill's great when you're going on a bike, uphill bad. But what I'm saying is when a person says, my life is going downhill.
Or it's all downhill from here, or
Yeah, it's bad.
yeah.
But not on a bike and not an actual downhill is nice.
It's great.
Yeah.
It's the part I look forward
So it's
to.
interesting,
Downhill
but I guess
could be
they're saying
dangerous on a bike.
tumbling down the hill.
Oh, yeah.
But then
It's the
uphill,
tumbling.
it's like, oh, this is going to be an uphill battle.
That's even
Right?
harder, right?
But if your life is going downhill, what's the opposite of that? Uphill.
yeah.
But uphill's hard.
Uh-huh.
This is complicated. Anyway,
That's a good point.
it just struck me in the moment. But this is titled "Dude is a Chad," and this is on Unexpected on Reddit, and it has 32,000 upvotes. Go ahead and play it.
Is there volume?
You don't need to watch it with volume.
Okay.
So there's a guy. He approaches a roadway, and
like
he's
they're
looking.
waiting.
They're waiting, and the little girl starts to run, and he senses and bang saves her life
Whoa.
as the car hits the brakes afterwards.
Yeah.
Now
Split second.
it's a split second situation. However, I want you guys to notice
Also
something.
flip flops. Whoa. He's wearing flip flops.
Flip flops. I want you guys to notice something. Okay, on the other side of the road where the girl is, there's somebody else with her. You can't see them right now.
Okay.
But you'll see them right there. You saw
Oh,
their
yeah,
hand.
I saw their
you saw
hand.
their hand drop down. So first of all, that person on the other side, it's kind of your job if you're standing beside the kid.
Yeah.
But maybe they're on their phone. I don't know. They're
Distracted.
But there is somebody over there. They reach. They actually reach. What's that?
But not much effort.
Not much effort. I don't know. The guy, whoever's on the other side might be sitting on an actual motorcycle or something.
Okay.
But there's one other thing I want you to notice here about this situation is that the guy, he's obviously the hero.
Yes. I mean, what he did was heroic.
He's obviously the hero. He goes in
Also
front of
nice moves. With
nice
the
moves,
spin.
smooth, and he's the hero. He saves the kid. But actually, the girl sends him.
Yeah,
he's hesitating.
Yes, you're
He's
right.
hesitating, and the girl taps him on the arm and pushes him into the roadway to go do the action.
Right.
Watch this. Bang. See what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah. Wait,
She-
do you think he noticed that? I don't think that she touches him.
No?
I think she's just like, oh my God, it's happening. And
So
she
she's
raised-
frozen?
Oh, maybe. I don't know. It's hard to tell. The quality
It's hard
of
to
the
tell.
video.
I assumed, because he doesn't jump until that moment.
Yes, you're right.
He's kind of standing, and you always wonder in these type of moments, are you going to freeze? You're going to act.
Yeah.
And then as soon as she puts her hand up, he goes.
Yeah.
So it could just be a coincidence that he sees it all happen, but that little girl is very, very lucky. And good on the guy. I mean, you always got to be aware in the roadway.
And he's ready with flip flops. That's
You imagine the, life-altering moment, split second,
Yeah.
totally
Yeah.
so many, different outcomes.
The title. Dude is a Chad.
Well, it's, you're on Reddit, so.
Yeah.